I suggest y'all get right alongside because that's a trumpet. I don't care what nobody says. That's a trumpet. They ain't out here trying to prank nobody. That's loud. Bub, that's loud. Y'all ain't right with God. Y'all need to get right. This always happens when something bad.
Light it up now.
That's crazy, man.
Recently, something terrifying happened.